Hello, my name is Manfred and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to learn one of the very basics of cooking that everybody needs to learn, and it's very easy. You kids can do this, the beginner cook, the new cook, yeah. We're going to do how to measure ingredients. And today we're going to talk about dry ingredients, the liquid ingredients, the sticky ingredients, because they're sticky. Never mind, we get on with that. And then we're going to talk about what is a pinch and what is a few grains. Okay, the first thing we always do in the kitchen is we wash the hands, You're out there in the public, you're wandering around, you're working outside. Oh yeah, you want to make sure the hands are clean. And the other thing is you want to make sure the fingernails are clean, because as you'll see today when we do the measuring of the ingredients, the fingernails get right into the ingredients as well. Okay, let's get started here right now. The first thing, oh, hey, excuse me. Manfred's going to go back here. Not that one. There. Manfred, forget to put this on. This is very important in the kitchen because you need something to always clean the fingers off when you're working. So this is very good for wiping them off. Okay, let's get started here. The first thing is, the dry ingredients can be the flour, the rolled oats, the baking powder, and the soda. Now, how do you do the measuring? Let's take a look down here at what we've got. The first thing is, these right here are for the dry ingredient. We have the cup, the 1/3 cup, the 1/2 cup, 1/3 cup, and the what's this one here? The 1/4 cup. Now, these you can buy at the inexpensive store. Now here's the small spoons also. You got the tablespoon and the teaspoons. We'll show you how they work. And this. So let's start with the dry ingredients. The first thing we're going to do, you need to do the flour. Now let me show you this. Back here, I think it's this side. Oh yeah, we got the flour right here. Whoops. In measuring the flour, you take the top off. If this is too big, you can't get that in there, can you? Can you see that? Hey, that's no good. So I want the full cup. So I have to take the 1/2 cup, which go in. Pour that in. Get the other one, like this. Now watch this. Now, you can see. Can you see how that is stacked up higher? Just like that. What you do is you take the leveler, this comes with it. You can use this, but let Manfred show you. I'm going to set that down. Going back here, don't go away. Manfred gets the knife. You take the ingredients that are dry and you just make sure they get all the way in there. Oh, can you see that? And then just level that off. Is that not easy? Can you see that real well? Okay, now Manfred show you the trick here. We're going to put this, set the flour right there. When you use the flour, it's not in the way, you do the sifting. Now, can you see that's a full cup? Let's dump that. Oh, just a little bit spill, not much. You just take it and put it through the hand like this. Now, this is the flour that you're using, and then we're going to show you what happened when you do the sifting like this with the flour, with the ingredients. There it is, all gone. Just a little bit right there. They're going to go through. Oh, we'll throw them in. Hey, take the cup now. Oh, back here. Manfred got to get the spoon, the big spoon. There it is. Let's put the flour back in here. Now, this has been sifted so that it makes it really nice for the cooking. Can you see that? Oh, yeah. Look at this. We're getting fuller. You got a good shot of this up there. Yeah. Okay. Can you see that? Shake that out. That's it. We scrape this all together. Oh, look at this. What are you starting to see? Oh, here. Let Manfred show you. We're going to take this and just move that around. Bring that right in tight like that. Can you see that? Oh, it's getting fuller. Manfred, spill a little bit. Oh, this is the experiment that Manfred be showing you. Look at that. There's less. Do you know why? Because Manfred have spilled it all over the place. This is not how you do the measuring, and that is what Manfred is showing. Now, that is not enough, so you would have to go through the whole process again. So do not make the mess like Manfred have made. How's that? Did I get out of that one, tech? Oh, yeah, the camera girl's laughing. The tech guy up here, too. That's the way it is. Look at the amount that Manfred have spilled. When you are doing the measuring, you have to make sure it is 1 full cup. If you do the spill like this with Manfred, it's no good. You need the exact amount. Okay, let's just move that. Can you see how much he spilled? That's the good experiment. That shows you. Oh, and look at here. Look at this. Manfred set that out of the way. Look at the amount that Manfred has spilled here too. This is to demonstrate that you need to be very careful when you're doing the measuring in the kitchen. So let me show you another one. We're going to put this away back here. Let's get the brown sugar out. Oh yeah, here's the brown sugar, okay? Brown sugar is special because when you do the brown sugar, and this time we're going to use the 1/3 cup, when you fill the brown sugar cup up, can you see how that is right there? It's over full right now. What you got to do is pack it down like that and then scrape that off. Can you see? There it is. That is the special that you do with the brown sugar to make sure it's packed solid because it's fairly damp. Okay, that's very good. You're learning. Can you see how you use these? Look at the mess it make, huh? So you got to be very careful when you're doing it around the kitchen. What are we on now? Okay, let's look at the measuring cup. Now we got the measuring spoon. The measuring spoon come in the 1 tablespoon, the 1/2 tablespoon, the teaspoon, the 1/2 teaspoon, and the 1/4 teaspoon. Now, can you see the difference? Between the tablespoon and the teaspoon is just the size, okay? Now, if you're going to measure something with them, let me show you back here. Manfred, get out. This is one of the basics in the, that slammed, in the kitchen. Right here is the magic baking powder. If you are going to use the baking powder and it says, oh, today you've got to use, what's this doing? The 1/2 teaspoon, you dip it in. Can you see how full that would be? Can you get a good shot of that? You just scrape that even like that. The measuring is very, very important. So you have to get the right amounts. Manfred demonstrate the wrong way first time. Manfred got the right way this time. Oh, that's good. We're not going to use that. Back in there. So, hey, that's basics of the measuring for the dry ingredients. Let's carry on. You can see the mess that get made. Can you see this when you're doing the baking? Lots of times you need to wear the apron, you know, but right today, Manfred being very careful. We put this in here. That's good. Let's do the liquid. Everybody clear? If I was teaching the class, I say, hey, everybody clear with this? And they all go, yeah, I got it, Manfred. That's good. How's it going, camera girl? Okay. Oh, she gives me the thumb up. I looking okay? All right. Let's do the liquids now. Say the liquids come in the glass, and they have the numbers on the side. This is 2 cups, and on the other side, it has for 2 cups 500 milliliter because it has the imperial and the metric. Imperial and the metric. It's very best if you buy those, and you can get them at the inexpensive store. Now, Manfred show you. If you're doing the liquid like the milk or the water, the first thing, let's fill this up a little. We're going to get it close. Okay. Let Manfred move this to the side. We're going to get a little more in here because this is the way you do the liquid measurement. I'm going to go down here to take a look. You ready? Here we go. You get right down beside it like this, and you see the red line here, and you see the red line there. The liquid should measure. You should be able to see right across the both. Oh, I need a little more on that. So you take the other, and you just add the little more, just like that. There it is. The water curl up on the side like this, and you look right on the bottom of the liquid. It's called the meniscus curve. That's a big word for Manfred, eh? That's it. There's the perfect 2-cup water. You see that? That is the perfect measurement. Hey, that's all there is to the liquid. We're going to leave that there for the example. Now, the sticky liquid. Oh boy, I want to tell you, you start working with the molasses and some, or they say the syrup or the corn syrup. It's very, very, very thick, and it gets very, very, sticks to everything. Now, if you're using just a little bit, you use the measuring spoon, the teaspoon or the tablespoon. If you're using a lot, then what you have to use are the big cups like this, or you may even have to use the measuring cup. It depends on what it is, what the ingredients or the recipe is for that. Hey, that's it for the liquids. The last two things are the salt. It will often say the pinch of salt. You take the little pinch, that's it, just a pinch. Watch, here it's gonna fall. There it is. That is all a pinch is. You'll hear that if it say throw the pinch in, you throw the pinch in like that. The last one is what they call the FG. That means it's the few grains. Woo! Manfred almost missed that, and today we got the nutmeg, and the few grains is the same as the pinch, only very little less. Just like that, because it's so strong. Hey, that's it. That's all there is to measuring. You want to be accurate in the kitchen. Don't start throwing things around. You want to make it sure that it works okay. So here's the dry ingredients, the wet ingredients, the sticky liquids would be the honey, the syrup. You got the pinch, and you got the fine grain. Hey, that's it. That's all there is. Hey, how's this? If Manfred can do it, you can too. Go to manfredinthekitchen.com for many great recipes. Just follow the recipe, because if you can read, you can cook. I am no chef, but I can cook.